One of the universe's most mysterious and staggering events is now unfolding. The merger of two colossal black holes, twisting space-time into a cosmic dance. In the silent depths of the universe, two invisible giants orbit each other, their presence a powerful force capable of shaking entire galaxies. These are black holes, enigmatic titans of the cosmos, locked in a gravitational dance that defies comprehension. Amidst the vastness of space, their story begins. An epic tale of celestial might and cosmic mystery. As they revolve in this infinite expanse, they embody both the silence and power that define the universe itself. Here we set the stage for an extraordinary cosmic event, a phenomenon that will captivate all who ponder its significance. Join us as we journey into the unknown, where space reveals its deepest secrets and colossal forces await. Stay with us as we uncover the universe's most formidable mysteries. Black holes, cosmic monsters that swallow light and twist space-time. These enigmatic titans defy our understanding, shrouded in mystery and power. Imagine a place where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape its grasp. At the heart of a black hole lies the singularity, an unfathomable point where the laws of physics as we know them cease to exist. Around this dark core, the accretion disk swirls, a glowing halo of superheated gas and dust spiraling toward oblivion. As matter falls in, it accelerates, emitting powerful radiation and bending light around it, creating a spectacle of cosmic wonder. This is where we witness the true might of a black hole, as it warps the fabric of space-time itself. Yet these cosmic monsters are not static. They engage in a mesmerizing dance, spiraling ever closer with each passing moment. This is their gravitational waltz, an elegant yet terrifying prelude to their ultimate fate, a dramatic merger that will alter the very fabric of the universe. As we delve deeper into the nature of black holes, we uncover the profound beauty hidden within their darkness. Their spiraling motion is a testament to the intricate ballet of celestial mechanics, a dance choreographed by gravity's invisible hand. As two black holes spiral toward their union, we are about to witness a cosmic event that will echo through time and space. Join us on this cosmic journey as we explore the gravitational dance that births a new black hole. In the grand expanse of the cosmos, a mesmerizing ballet unfolds. For millions of years, two colossal black holes engage in a gravitational dance, their spirals like intricate choreography written across the fabric of space-time. With every orbit, they send ripples, gravitational waves, echoing through the universe, much like whispers in a cosmic ocean. These waves, imperceptible to the eye, carry the stories of their powerful motions across eons. This dance is more than a mere spectacle. It's a profound interaction where gravity plays the conductor, orchestrating a symphony of cosmic forces. Each spiral, each ripple contributes to a majestic narrative of creation and destruction, of power and elegance. As these two giants draw ever closer, the universe holds its breath. This is a moment where science meets poetry, where the cold equations of Einstein's predictions transform into a breathtaking visual symphony. The gravitational waves they generate are not just scientific phenomena. They are the universe's own heartbeat, resonating with an energy that transcends time. In this segment of our journey through the cosmos, we witness the dynamic interactions that define these enigmatic entities. This dance reveals the beauty and complexity of our universe, and as their collision nears, we're reminded how such cosmic events deepen our understanding. Stay with us for the climax of this celestial merger. Then, impact. At near light speed, they merge in a blast so powerful, it momentarily outshines the universe itself. Two colossal black holes, once locked in a gravitational dance, collide in a cosmic crescendo. The energy released is unimaginable, a brilliant flare that eclipses entire galaxies, if only for an instant. This is the climax of their age-old journey, a merging so intense it reshapes the fabric of space-time. As the collision unfolds, gravitational waves ripple outward, carrying the story of this celestial event across the cosmos. It's a moment of awe, a testament to the unimaginable forces at play in the universe. Here, at this very juncture, we witness not just destruction, but the birth of something new. A transformation that echoes through the vastness of space, reminding us of the boundless power and mystery that lie beyond our world. As the light fades, a new entity emerges from the chaos, a singular black hole, born from the ashes of its predecessors. This is not merely an end, but a beginning, a continuation of the eternal cycle of creation and destruction that defines our universe. And with this collision, we transition into the aftermath, where a new black hole takes its place among the stars, echoing its silent power. In the aftermath of a cosmic collision, a new entity emerges. A black hole is born. Like a bell struck in the vast silence of space, it resonates with power, sending out the final echoes of gravitational waves into the universe. These waves, once strong enough to ripple through time and space, now gradually fade away. As the echoes diminish, the newborn black hole begins to settle. It transitions from a moment of dynamic creation into a state of silent dominance, embodying the mysterious and formidable nature of these cosmic titans. This formation marks not just an end, but a beginning, an eternal presence in the tapestry of the universe. With its birth, the cycle of cosmic evolution continues, reminding us of the perpetual dance of creation and destruction. And so, as we leave this moment behind, we turn our gaze to the human connection, how this celestial event bridges the gap between scientific prediction and discovery, bringing us closer to understanding the universe's grand design. In 2015, the cosmos whispered a secret to humanity, a secret first predicted by Einstein a century ago. LIGO, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, captured the faint echoes of two black holes merging, a cosmic event that confirmed Einstein's bold theory of gravitational waves. For the first time in human history, we didn't just observe the universe through light, we listened to its gravitational symphony. This monumental discovery was more than a scientific triumph. It was a profound connection between cosmic events and human understanding. The implications are vast, opening new realms of exploration and expanding our grasp of the universe. The significance of this event lies not just in validating Einstein's prediction, but in ushering a new era where we can hear the universe's movements, sensing its rhythms through space-time. It's a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity, transforming abstract equations into tangible discoveries. As we stand on this new frontier, we are reminded of our place in the cosmos, interconnected with the celestial dance above. This is just the beginning of unraveling the mysteries held within the fabric of our universe. And so, as we continue to listen and learn, we prepare ourselves for the whispers yet to come. A journey that promises to illuminate the unknown and deepen our understanding of the very fabric of existence. As we stand at the edge of our understanding, black holes remain the universe's most enigmatic storytellers. They show us where time bends, where space folds, and where the universe whispers its deepest secrets. In their silent embrace, we glimpse the profound mysteries that defy our earthly perceptions, inviting us to question the very fabric of reality. These cosmic giants, born from the fiery dance of stars, teach us about the impermanence and transformation inherent in the cosmos. As they merge, their gravitational waves ripple through the fabric of space-time, carrying tales of creation and destruction, echoing the dance of life and death that governs the universe. Through black holes, we witness the universe's power to both obliterate and create anew. Their dark silhouettes against the cosmic canvas remind us of the vast unknown that still awaits exploration. In their presence, we confront our own limitations and ignite our innate curiosity to seek beyond the visible. Humanity's quest for understanding is fueled by these celestial phenomena. Each discovery peels back another layer of the cosmic narrative, revealing a universe far more intricate and wondrous than we could have ever imagined. As we unravel these mysteries, we realize that black holes are not just astronomical entities, but profound teachers of cosmic truths. In this endless voyage of discovery, we are both spectators and participants in a grand cosmic odyssey. The mysteries of black holes serve as a mirror reflecting our own quest for knowledge, challenging us to transcend our current understanding and to dream beyond the stars. So, as we ponder their whispered secrets, let us embrace the awe and wonder they inspire. For in the heart of these cosmic enigmas lies the promise of new horizons, beckoning us to explore further, to question more deeply, and to marvel at the universe's infinite possibilities. This is not just a story of black holes, it is a testament to humanity's eternal journey into the unknown. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.